Mills Manufacturing is a defense contractor. We are one of the world's largest manufacturers of military parachutes, and we're a family business. Mills Manufacturing is just one of several family businesses that are in this community, and we're very, very proud to be a part of that, and very, very proud to be one of the family businesses that I think our community relies on for help and support.
The United Way of Asheville-Buncombe County has been around a long time, and the Mills and Turner family has been part of that for as long as they've been in the community, since the late 50s. Giving back to the community is something that their family and therefore their business values.
From the very first generation with Ernie Mills, always very, very active and very, very involved in the community here, and we take that very, very seriously. Jim and Pam Turner were the next generation to run the business. Jim was our president, and that tradition of looking after and caring for employees and being a big part of the community has always been one of our top priorities, and it is a core value of ours, is community involvement.
The Mills family and Jim and Pam Turner, I believe that it's not one thing just to have a good workplace. The community's got to be strong. So the social service network's got to be strong because their employees are using those services. The educational system has to be strong because their children are attending those schools. They understand that it's not singular, that they all work together. So we have to have the education, financial stability, and health of the organization and the community all strong in order for our community to be strong.
Our company gets involved and helps support organizations through time or financial contributions for any of those organizations that our employees might rely on for help and support. Also, that any of those organizations that kind of help make our community stronger.
We ask people to live united, to give, advocate, and volunteer, and to create long-lasting change in our community. And the Mills business has done that from day one. Strong corporate support, including corporate sponsorships of lots of different things that we do. Strong personal leadership and individual leadership. The Turners and the Oswalds have all been leadership donors and major donors. And then they've engaged their employees. They do a model workplace campaign, plus they give their employees time to do volunteer work out in the community through our Days of Caring and Days of Impact.
Our mission is building products that bring our troops safely to the ground 100% of the time. Our employees take a lot of pride in that, and pride in their work and pride in the work that we're doing and what it goes for. Then we also have our values that speak to, what's important to us. And I think that creates a bedrock and a foundation for which our company can be successful.
They're just great folks who are sort of pillars of our nonprofit communities, and you see that in their workplace also.